Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi dear boys of grade 3. Again Mr. Mahmoud Baghdadi with you today. Inshallah, it's my pleasure to be with you, and inshallah today we are going to explain lesson 22. Let's start with the phonics. Our title here is about the spelling changes when we can put S or ES or ED or ING. Let's start with S. When we change from singular to plural, we put S. When I say boy, boys, girl, girl, book, books. Okay, so it's only S. And here it will pillow, pillows, like this word. And ES, when we change again from the singular to plural, we put ES. In some cases, when the noun ends with S, or double S, or SH, or CH, or O, or X. Here we have a brush, paint brush. Look, paint brush. In this with SH, so we put ES. And another, when the noun ends with Y, and before Y is consonant like memory, like Benny, like city. In this was Y, and before it consonant, we change Y into IS. ED in the past, we said that to change from present to past, we can put D, ED, IED. Look here, boys. Harry hurried. We change Y into IED. Reply replied, IED. And travel traveled, only ED. ING, there is no words here with ING, so let's start answering the questions. Here we have the word hurried, replied, traveled, pillows, drying, pennies, memories, paintbrushes, cities, grazed. So, Mister, let's start have the meanings. You know that we must understand the meaning. Hurry to run fast. Reply the questions, answer the question. Travel to move from a place to another. Pillow is something we can sleep on, something we can find on the bed. Drying, to get water away or get wet away. Pennies, money. Memories, how can you remember? Is it good memory or weak memory? Paintbrush, the artist used the paintbrushes to paint. Cities like New York, London are cities. Grazed, donkeys and horses are grazing, means are eating grass. Now let's answer the questions. Okay. Number one, April space to the question with another question. What is the suitable word? Yes, excellent. Okay, it will be replied. Number two, I have such a good space of kindergarten. Who can guess? Yes, memories. Excellent, boys. Most of the big space in California are on the coast. Big cities. Excellent, dear boys. The goats space on the hillside. What did the goats do? Grazed. Excellent. 10 space equal 1 dime. 10 what? 10 pennies. Alexander to school, so he wouldn't be late. So he hurried to school, as we said. Number 7, the class to the zoo on a bus. The class to the zoo on the bus traveled. Okay, and Joshua broke plate as he was spaced the dishes. What he was doing with the dishes? Drying. Okay. Most sat to fluffy space on the bed. What we can see in the bed? Pillows. And the artist had many what? The artist, what he used here from these words? Paint brushes. He used the paint brushes to what? To paint. And now we finished page 103. If you want to check your answers, pay attention with me. These are the answers of the 10 questions here. Okay, look. Number 1, replied, memories, cities, grazed, pennies, hurried, traveled, drying, pillows, paintbrushes. Okay, these are the answers. Let's go to another page, Bismillah. It will be page 106. Let's go on. Okay, 106 we have the spelling list. First, boys, what is the title of the spelling lesson here? Changing the final Y to BI, as we said millions of times. When the word ends with Y before Y, a consonant, we change Y, okay, to I. Like city, it will be cities to make it a plural. And here it's cry. It's a verb, by the way. To make it in the past, it will be IED. Poppy, poppies, IES. Harry, Harriet, IED. Stories, flies, fly, FLY. So Y before it L. Party, Y before it T. So we change into IES. Tried, pennies, fried, carrot. So in this list we have some words change it from singular to plural, and we change Y into I, then we put ES. So we will put them in this list. What we can put here, words ending with ES, it will be cities, it will be poppies, it will be stories, it will be flies, it will be parties, it will be pennies, and babies. We still have bonus. Okay, what we will put here, the words ending with ed. Cried, yes. Harriet, okay. Tried, fried, carrot, and spied. Okay, so easy to answer, I think, with your points. And now we know the rule itself. IES when we change it from singular to plural. Okay, city, cities. Ly, drop Y and put IES. And cry, cried. Okay, drop Y and IED. And so here we have another question. In the review words we have a pretty and very. Suppose you were asked to add a column for the review words, what would you name the heading of this column? So easy. Pretty ending with Y, very ending with Y. So we will write words ending with Y. Okay. Add the challenge words to your word sort. Okay. Here we have country, countries. So it will be in this list. Okay, with IS. Library, libraries will be in this list. If you want to check the answer, these are the answers, right? Okay, of 100, 106. Good point. This is the answers. Here we have cities, poppies, stories, flies, parties, pennies, babies, ponies, and countries, libraries. And here this is the title, words ending with Y. Okay. Let's go to another page. Not this page. Yes. We have in this page the phonics. Look here. To change it from singular to plural, we put VES. Knife, and this was FE. Leaf, and this was F. Hoof, and this was F. Life, and this was FE. Loaf, and this was F. So boys, when the noun in this was F or FE, we change it into VES when we want to make it a plural. Knife, something we cut with. Leaves of the tree. Hooves of the horses and donkeys. Lives, our lives, by the way, we must keep our lives. And loaves, the bread that we are eating. Okay. Again, what is the rule here, boys? When the noun in this was Y? No. When the noun in this was F and FE, we change F and FE to VES. Let's answer. The blacksmith put shoes on the horses. On the horses what? Yes, excellent. Hooves. Number 2. Run for your what? It's dangerous. The volcano is erupting. Run for your lives. Yes, excellent. And number 3. Do you have any space of bread? With bread, it will be what? Loaves. In autumn, the space falls from the trees, the leaves. Set the table with forks and knives. Okay, these are the answers. Here, This is the answers. Hooves, lives, loaves, leaves, and knives. Okay, let's go on. Um, we still have this question, this page. Yes. Uh, the same list we must put and answer here. Okay. It will be